kwenzeka bethatha i-KZN, which is very impossible. We are the highly number, but inumber yethu iphazanyiswa yithina. Ma-leaders, the one thing ofase ipreache manje ukuthi ziningi izinto ezisazoqhamuka, asizazi nami angizazi. That's why ngithi mina, and i-leadership yethu is quiet. Angani mase ngenezwa uNcamalala ekhuluma ever since kwathiwa uBaba uKhumalo uhlisiwe esikhulu. Angani mana ke nambona yini ukhuluma kunaloko kwazibonakala Flagstaff ezijabulele etshitshimba namampondo lapho kungenzo emnandi nje ezijabulele. Lo muntu osiholayo umuntu o very intellectual, umuntu okwazi kwenza lento okuthiwa is an underground movement. Nephathi yakhe befuna yenze kanjalo. Manje thina we are again exposing ourselves. Ngoba phela manje yabona bekadiza kahle besiphusha kahle la TikTok kahle kakhulu besiphusha. Kunabantu abajabulayo manje abala abaplantiwe abagqoka iregalia yethu baplantiwe bagqoka yona le emblem esigqokayo. Manje bayajabula bathi hayike ibambe ngakho. Njengalela dombo lelivela qhamuka izolo selithi nizwile ukuthi yazi lo muntu ave emdala eqamba amanga. Uthi kuthiwa uKhumalo uxoshile umsholozi nomunye uyaqhamuka uzothi ku live la esikhona izolo hayi umsholozi uxoshiwe. Ngithi mina ayikho lento ilela dombo ilo umuntu engamazi ukuthi uyisikhatsini uthi nazo ke zavela zabhibhi izifunda kuyolana useqala ngabapha ama-powers kona umxosho wawukephi lona kancane kancane basimela ngomxosho kancane basimela ngomxosho lo muntu ave emdala and ngiyigcinile iclip yakhe ngiyigcinele nje ukuthi after mhla ka-29 engathi ngamfuna ngeze ngimthole ngithi nayi post yakho wayiposta wathi ubaba uNcamalala uxoshwe uKhumalo ngoba mdala lo muntu le nto avela ayikhuluma ngalelo langa uyofisa nokuthi edithiwe ngoba ukhuluma into ezingekho. Kubi bafethu ukukhuluma into ezingekho ucomment into ongahlangene nayo. Mina bafethu sibhekene nento yethu la asilungiseni into zethu. Uma uzizwa ngathi uthatha iside yimele eceleni dedela laba abahamba nothatha iside. Yeka wena ngothatha iside la sivulela inhlangano. Baningi abantu ababesupport inhlangano out there. Lento ukuthi kuzoba khona ama fractions ubuhlwane phakathi kube khona into nje ezosipenetrate la sihlukane sibona ngokuhlukana. Hayi mina bengilandela ubani la size kwinhlangano. Umsholozi uyasilida. He's sharing with us his ideas, which is his ideology is well supported by us because i-ideology yakhe yilento efunwa abantu base-South Africa. That's why bethi bonke bazoba lapha. Angazi ukuthi thina masiphumela ngale kuthola ukuthi sesiyaphumelela ey'fisweni zethu ukuthi nothini lezi zinto enizikhulumayo kungekafiki ngisho ama-elections. Ngoba lezi zinto ezikhulunywa la not nina-ke Khomani sengiyasho lento ezikhulunywa abantu azikho right ngoba la sizolwela iy'ngane zethu sizolwela ilizwe lethu sifuna ukuthatha umnotho sobuyisela ube njengasekuqaleni kade ukhona la belungu bambona umsholozi isikhathi esase-president ukuthi usebenzela abantu abamnyama kwathiwa xoshani and basikhanda isitori bamxosha nathi sajabula sidayiselwe iphepha elirong umsholozi. Namhlanje umsholozi akekho emandleni sesiyakhumbula sibiyelwa imiqondo ukuthi hey nangu umuntu oweze ezoletha umuntu omnyama ukuthi eze kumuntu omnyama ukuthi akaphumelele. Not le nto yayifuna ukuthi wena usebenzise ingqondo wamsholozi ukulungisa CK yakho uyithintithe uhambe uapplyele umsebenzi uthole umsebenzi njengoba wayesho ethi akube khona lento okuthiwa i-BEE yayi-operator kahle kakhulu nje lento ye-BEE. Manje abantu abamfuna belungu umuntu oceba umuntu omnyama badinwa kakhulu. Akubona lapha one of the top 7 ase-Stellenbosch wathenga imoto eLadisiel imoto okuthiwa iNada eka-150 million ukuthi lonto yayithengwe umuntu omnyama kwakukhulunywa because ithengwe ubasi wabo lo kuthiwa yes bus kuthuleke kuthenya nangu ramaphosa ufihlile amadola bathule bathenya. Uyababona abantu ba-captured ngisho iy'ngqondo abafuna ukukhuluma izinto ezibalulekile eSouth Africa ukuthi njengoba sihlupheka nje imali idliwa abantu abathize bafuna lokho bekhuluma indaba ukuthi uKhumalo waxosha umsholozi waxosha uKhumalo. These things zosisiza ngani ngoba manje ngisho umuntu okufanele ahambise i-service delivery ebantwini akho manzi manje ebantwini sinenkinga yamanzi abafuna ukufaka amanzi emphakathini yabo manje ungafika bekhamisile bekhuluma indaba kaKhumalo noZuma. That's all into abazoyikhuluma. Service delivery ayiye ebantwini lento yemkhonto yesizwe imisile i-service delivery ngoba phela kuyabakhombisa ukuthi abekho capable kanjani ukulida ilizwe. Uma ulida ilizwe right now ufanga abakhampeyina kakhulu balungisa izinto okufanele bazilungisa balungisa imigwaqo eyonakele kangaka balungisa indaba yamanzi. Service delivery ayiye kubantu abantu bakhele izindlu abantu bahlale ezindlini eziwayo kuhanjwe kucheckwa abantu ukuthi ba-right not ukukhuluma izinto ezingayindawo. Indawo kaKhumalo nomsholozi ayindawo is just nje political strategy what dribbling or angazi ngayibiza ngani has ukuthi nje abantu bacabanga enye into other than that ngeke sisize ngalutho la sifuna service bar sifuna i-country ephambili akwazi ukuthi izulu ngathi linenkinga kangako uzojabuliswa into ngoba because now is the only thing a trend la eSouth Africa all over lento becabanga ukuthi izoba ne-outcome right for them there will be no outcome. Lento uzodlula 3 days seyiphelile indaba yayo sesikhuluma ngama-elections ukuthi we are heading to an election sebeyikhohliwe. Izophela manje lento phela manje. Maybe by tomorrow so bobe sebeqala abantu sebeyikhohle. Manje we cannot talk about this. We have a job ahead of us to push that to campaign for umkhonto wesizwe campaign sesikhohlana ukuthi kuthiwa asisebenzele i-2/3 majority sesikhohlana nayinto okuthiwa siyenze because we are talking about into engafanele lento okuhamba sifaka indaba kuthina siyakhohlwa. Mina wherever I go, like I woke up in the morning ngageza ngene ngahamba ngawuphusha into zami ngoba umsebenzi ngeke uzume ngoba naku kuthiwa kufanele khona indaba kaKhumalo nani. Mina ngeke ngimise ukugqoka iskipa somkhonto wesi ngoba naku kuthiwa khona indaba kaKhumalo nani. Ngingenaphi? That's none of my business until then umsholoza aphumele obala athatha ipodium as address athi let me address you regarding indaba kaKhumalo and so. Ever since i-leadership yethu ise-quiet, let us be quiet. Let's do what we, because they know uma ngihamba nawe ngithi indlela ngiyayazi ngisho usubona inyoka mina mqhubeka ngivula kulezo inyoka landela mina ngusukuphuka ukuthi ile inyoka zizosikuluma. No man, ungathuka angithi ulidwa yimina. I'm leading you. Look at me. If ngibaleka nawe baleka. If I don't run away, don't run away, because I know ukuthi ngiyaphi. Manje abantu we have to ukuthi sicorrect ingqondo zabo nabantu abadala ngisho umdala umuntu uthi efaka lento bafethu ever noma ngathiwa i-leadership yashaya iblanda ngendaba kaKhumalo akusadingi sikhulume into abangeke salungisa lutho. Ayisadingi nje lento ukuthi silungise. Yebo makuthiwa yashaya iblanda wathini ya publicize asazi ukuthi kwakufanele inese kanjani. Angazi nami angithathe side angazi ukuthi kwakufanele inese kanjani indaba kaBakhumalo. If bona beyazi kuba ibona bayazi angazi lutho. I don't know what went wrong. I don't know. I can't tell you, and it's none of my business. I'm here to serve for umkhonto wesizwe. I'm a good standing member of umkhonto wesizwe, and mina this is my last destination in politics. I will never join any political party. This is my last destination. If umkhonto wesizwe it ends, then it's end of my career in politics. I will never participate to any political party. No, it's time ukuthi manje sikube kufika that kuthiwa siba manje siqanjelwe amanga enough babhiza abanye naba abantu bafaka le ndaba omkhonto wesizwe. Ngisho umuntu ecampaign akakwazi ukutshela umuntu. Mina la bengihlanganisela abantu abaphaka ukudla endaweni yamaSulumane. Ngafika ngaqoqa iskipho sami ngangena phakathi kwabo. Baningi labantu. Ngathi mina wathi umunye ngathi ngiyayithanda lento oyixoxa lapho ngaya kubona. Ngixoxile nalabantu. Bangibuza imibuzo ngayiphendula. Uyabona, if you want to be a leader, hamba uyozitesta ebantwini. Go to the people. U-exercise ukuphendula imibuzo enzima. Those people bengatheka abanye ngemibuzo ukuthi nokuthi uzuma wenza ukuthi ngithi ngiyeza kuwakho umbuzo baningi. Meanwhile besalindile ukuzophakela ukudla ila maSulumane. Mina was busy preaching the word of umkhonto wesizwe, the word of ukuthi thina sifuna ukwenzani uma sithatha le country. And mangiphuma, I want to tell you, I'm not lying to you, but it's unfortunate ukuthi angikwazanga ukuthatha ivideo because bengihamba ngedwa. Bengifuna ukutshela ukuthi 60% wabo boso convinced, but ukhala ngokuthi but asizitholi ikhipha ngithi nakuvote iskipha kuvota wena, because I may give you the t-shirt mase ufika lapha lapha kulekhuza kwi-podium lapha kwi-ballot box uzofika sowenza into yakho wedwa. Then I won't believe you. Wena understand le nto engiyishoyo ngoba ngikuqambela amanga. Angizanga ukuzokurecruiter makufika ukuthi wena qhubeka uvotele le qembu ukuthi uzovotela hamba, but I'm telling you the fact ukuthi labantu they won't tell you the truth. And most of lamaqembu azokucebisa obhululu babo azocebisa obhululu babo qhubeke kukhule lemkhaba bahlale phansi bahlale nezihlalo ejika. Ngikhuluma nje manje sixaye kangaka we are pushing for ukuthi ingane zibe right after ama-elections. Siphushela ukuthi leli zwe likhululeke. Kunomuntu ohleli nesihlalo ongazi noma kudumephi or receive i-call ingene nje-call anihambe nosebenza. Umuntu ahamba osebenza lowo muntu afika aphusha lonke ethi hey ma comrade sokunje ake sizolungisela isisu sakhe. Hey manje ithini bona balwa namaqhinga. Iqhinga singakwazi labantu ngoba ngathi kuthwabeze kambi la ku social media ayasenzeni 1 no 2, and then thina bhu sesiyakholelwa ilonto qhamuka umuntu onezinkulu izihlathi lezo zoqamba amanga emdala. That man is lying, that man, because he's the one obekade spreada lamanga izolo ethi kunako ukhumalo seqoshi. Lo muntu don't even listen to those kind of videos ngoba niyayibona lento bokumnandi ehlasela amanye ama political parties, but now ibhekisa ngakuthina lento lenkemba yakhe usehlabathina ngayo sesiyayivumela. Mina won't allow that. Lo muntu ngasevile ama video ngoba ngifuna ukuthi one day umuntu amfuna azamthole athi wawuthini la umdala ungako nezingane ngoba ngiyakuhlonipha wawuthini ngoba manje bazosicabangisela izwe. So other than that ma commander ngiyacela, let's go, let's lead, let's go for 2/3 majority, let's go for what we are here for. We are not here for uKhumalo nomcholozi. We are here for umkhonto wesizwe to serve for our tomorrow, our future, the future of our kids, the future of the next generation. But if we don't work on that and siloko si-exercise indaba ongathi sihlakaniphanga, it won't work. Le nto ayifuni kuhlakanipha, ifuna nje just a simple ifuna nje just a simple thing then, just a thinking ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi ngoba ngitshela ukuthi mina ngingene part 1 bebeqhubeka ikhipha zo-IFP abanye ANC yebo bekhona bonke, but ngihambe ngiwina 6 ngoba ngincama ukuthi into zami zideleke nokuthi ngingangamchazeli lo muntu ukuthi what is umkhonto wesizwe, what is for umkhonto wesizwe, why is here. As I told you earlier on, this is my last political destination. If it ends off umkhonto wesizwe, I will never join any political party. Previous years I used to vote for ANC. I've never done any colors of ANC, but I used to vote for them. Now it's time for me ukuthi ngivotele umkhonto wesizwe, ngidonsa abantu ngibakhomba indlela ngomkhonto wesizwe. I've managed ukuthi ifamily yami yonke ngiyiconvince, ngine family enkulu kabi, enkulu, but bonke ngiyabatshela ukuthi kukanje nakanje. Le number le ngiyivutile ekhaya angifuni ukuyiphoqa ngoba one day sathatha as umkhonto wesizwe, makwenzeka sithatha ngiyothi ngicela ningangiphoqi abantu basekhaya, ngabathembisa ukuthi lelizwe liyobuya lize ebantwini. Angibathembisanga into direct to them, ngibathembisa ukuthi bonke bo-create ama-job opportunities, nimusanike ukuthi nikhulume into ingenzeki, ngicela kwenzeke lezo zinto. Those things esingahamba-ke sizikhuluma ukuthi sozilwa nomkhonto wesizwe ukuthi zenzeke, hhayi lezi zinto esizikhulumayo. Kuyosisiza ngani ukukhuluma indaba kakhumalo? Kuyosisiza ukukhulula lelizwe, kuyosisiza ukuthi abantu baqashwe, kuyosisiza ukuthi kube khona amanzi. Abantu balulele imkhaba nje lapha bahlele ezihlalweni bajika nezihlalo, umuntu ubamba ucingo left hand right uphethe amafoni nga2 ukhuluma nobhululu bakhe, ukhuluma indaba ye-truck yakhe yokuthi ufuneka ihambisa amanzi endaweni ukuthi ithola 120,000 sokuphelile. Mayifake la amanzi 4 times kuleya ward, wena uzothola yilo nto nje abayisebenza abantu. Mase kuthi makunenkinga yana esincane bahleke basibuza, no man, ungavumi ukuhlekwa umuntu ngoba le nto abasihlekisa ngayo ayikho. Ngiyabonga ama-comrades.